Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install QuickBooks app in your device. QuickBooks is a popular accounting software that is primarily geared towards small and medium-sized business. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search QuickBooks. There you can see QuickBooks Online Accounting. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open QuickBooks app for user-friendly accounting software. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.